Hello guys, my name is Kunal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will cover the Lambda function. Okay, I have explained some type of function in previous videos where I have explained how to use map function, how to use reduce function, how to use filter function. If you haven't watched that particular video, please go and watch that particular video. I will leave the link in the card as well as I will add the link in the description as well. So first you will watch that particular video and after that you can come back to this particular video and then you will understand Lambda function more clearly. Okay, now I will deep dive into the Lambda function. So first I will write one simple function. This is a traditional way to write the method. So I will write a method to square any number. Okay, so def square num here. Then after that I will pass the parameter, and here I will return the number. Number is a keyword. We cannot use num into num. Okay. So that is the thing I have done. So this is a square method. Here, if you pass any number for this particular square number, if you pass the square this number as a 2, then this particular definition or this particular method will return 4. So print square, and here I have pass 9, then you will see the square of that particular number. But here this particular method is written in traditional way. Okay, now this particular method I will write by using a lambda keyword. So how we will write? First I will declare the name square and then lambda. This is a keyword. After that we have to pass the parameter. How for the in the traditional method number in passed in the bracket. So here we don't have to write any bracket. So here you can write that particular parameter, and after colon, this is a colon, and after that you can write the definition of your method. So num into num. So you can write the body of your method. After colon you can write the body of your you can say method. So this is the you can say the syntax of your lambda method. Now I will explain the syntax. 1 minute, I will start the annotation. Okay. So here you can see this lambda is a keyword. Okay, this is a name of your method. This is a name of your method. Okay, it is same like this method, this name. Okay, and then this is num. This is an argument. Okay, this is argument. This particular argument you can write over here. This is an argument. Okay, and think you have write after the colon over here, you can write same thing over here. So you have covered all these things in a one line. Okay, without giving any name. This name I have given for to understand you. Okay, if you don't give this particular name also, it will work. And how it will work, I will explain this in this particular video. In previous video we have used map function, then we have used filter function, and then we have used reduce method. So these three methods we have used again to solve the simple problem as well. So okay, then so the first problem what we solve, first problem we will square all the numbers present in the list. This particular thing we will solve by using map function. By using map functions. And then second problem we will solve what you can say, we will filter the list, or and we will create a new list of even number. Okay, of even numbers. This also we will solve by using filter method. And third problem we will solve, we will take multiplication of all the items present in the list. So these three problems we will solve by using you can say lambda function. Now how we will solve, we will see now in this particular video. So first I will clear all these things. Now first function, as I discussed, first function over here is we want to square all the numbers present in the list. So this is our first problem. Now how we will solve this by using you can say the list lambda function. So we will see now that. So for that, first I will declare the list. K is the remote and 11 list, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then what will be the output of this particular? If we square all the numbers present in this particular list, then what will be the output? 4, 9, 16, and 25. This will be the output. And then I will write 6 as well. 6 6 as well. Then this will be 36. This will be the output. Now we will solve this by using our map function and you can say the lambda function. So new list, I will create new list. Okay, I will write list because I have to create the new list. Then I will write the map function. In the map, I will write the lambda function. How I will write lambda, then the parameter, that is number, and we want to square. So num into num. And then for the map, we will provide the second parameter, that is nothing our list. That's it. In this way, we can write this particular, you can say the lambda method. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, here you have to pass the key because it is an for the map method we have to give the second, you can say the second parameter. So second parameter for the map is key, means the list. That's it. Now I will print the new list. So here you can see our output because I had not declared it k, and now I will run again. So here you can see that our expected output we have achieved by using these lambda functions. So how we have achieved this particular, I will explain now syntax. Okay, so here I have written the list. I have written the list because we want list of all the elements of square of this particular number. So that's why list, and then I have called the map function. For the map function, 2 parameters you need to pass. First the function, and second is data type. On which data type you want to run this particular function. So here we want to run this particular function on k list. So here you need to pass k. Okay, so this is the syntax of the you can say the map function. So similarly, so here I have created the lambda function. Lambda function is nothing but an anonymous function. Here you can see I did not give the name of that particular function, but it will this particular function is understand by the Python because we have used this lambda keyword. Okay, lambda keyword. Over here lambda, then here I have passed the argument, okay, to that particular function, and here I have write the code of the or body of the function, and here I have passed the second parameter of the map for the map function. So second parameter is nothing but an our list where we want to apply this lambda function, and this particular thing will return the list which we want. So here you can see the list which we want, and it is an expected output. Now the second problem over is we want to filter all the even numbers. Okay, from the even numbers. So this is the list. From this particular list, we want to filter all the even numbers. So what are the even numbers? Here 2, 4, and 6. This should be the output. Okay, and how you can check this by programmatically? If the number is divisible by the 2, then we can call that particular number is even number. So here you can see, and how you can check that remainder is 0 or not, by using modulus operator. This modulus operator will give you the remainder. For modulus 2, it will give the 0, and 0 equal to 0. If this particular condition is matched, then we can say that that particular number is even. So how will you write def is even, colon, and here you will check the condition that num modulus operator 2 exactly equal to 0, then return number is even, or that particular else then it is an or. In that way you will write the you can say the logic, and this particular logic need to run for each and every element, and then that particular element will return in this particular list. So that is the our you can say the problem statement. So for that we will use filter method, so that we don't have to write any for loop. In filter method, first parameter is function, and second parameter is data type or list or tuple, whatever you have declared. Here you can give the list because here we have declared new k list, so here you can pass the k. Okay, so that will be the your filter method. So I will write now the code for this so that you will understand. First is you have to create new list 2. Okay, and here I will write map, not map, it is list again, because we will create new list, and then we'll write filter, and in filter we will write the lambda function. How will write lambda keyword, then we'll pass the argument that this is nothing but a number, and then number is modulo 2 exactly equal to 0. Okay, and then at the last you will pass the what you can say the map function, filter function, second parameter, that is nothing but our list. That's it. Print now new list 2. here you can see our expected output. In that way, we can use this filter method with the lambda function to achieve our problem statement. Now, third problem statement is we want to what you guys say? We want to multiply. We want to take the multiplication. We want to take the multiplication of all the elements. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So this thing you want. Okay. So the traditional method, what will you write? You will write the for loop, and then you will do the multiplication of each and every element. So to do this, we have one. You can say the good method in Python, that is the method reduce. Reduce will do all the things. First, here we have to give the function name for the reduce method, function name which will do the multiplication, and here you have to give the list or data type. On that particular data type, you want that particular function run. So those things you will give as a parameter. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax of your what you can say the reduce method. Now, how you will write the code for this? You will do this. You can do this in one line. So I will do that now. So first thing, you will create another list, new list 3, and then you will write reduce. But to reduce function is not available in, you can say the not available in the directly. You have to import the you have to import that particular method from func tool library. So func tools, import reduce, and then reduce. Here you can write the you can say the lambda method. How you will write the lambda, and then for the multiplication there are two parameters or two operands are required. So x, y, two operands or two arguments I have given, and I have written the you can say the body of that particular function, x into y. Which I will do the multiplication of those two variable, and then at the end second parameter I will give the k because we want to run this lambda function over the k. And now if I have it will not list, it will be the you can say the number. Okay, so 1 minute, k again I will declare, and here I will give the result. Okay, result variable, and then I will run. And if I have just printed the result, then here you can see the 720 result. Okay, this reduce method has done his work. This particular reduce method or lambda, along with lambda method, multiplied all the elements and return the result. And in that particular result, we have stored in result variable. Yeah, so in that way, we can use this lambda method. Over here, you can see in this particular thing, I have written this particular method. Okay, so x and y are nothing but an arguments. These are nothing but an arguments because we want to do the multiplication of the items. So those things are stored in x, y, and this is nothing but a definition of your method. Here I have written the definition of your method, and here I have passed the list data type. List data type, where on that particular list data type, this particular lambda function will run, and this lambda function will return the result, and then it will be captured in the result variable. That's it from my side for this particular video, and please share this particular video or for your with your friends and colleagues, whoever require this type of help. Thank you.